Great location. Don't miss out, schedule a showing today. Spacious 3 halves with large backyard and 2-car garage. This house has a 2017 roof with solar breeze and hot water heater. Freshly painted interior October 2022, updated kitchen with wood cabinets and pantry. House has an open floor plan, split bedrooms and vaulted ceilings. Large master bedroom with walk-in closet. Master bath has been upgraded with travertine tiles, garden tub, dual sinks, a separate walk-in shower. Family room has laminate floors and open floor plan is perfect for entertaining. Outside offers a large backyard which is fenced in for that extra privacy and includes a 12 by 24 shed for all your storage needs. Don't miss this very desirable and established neighborhood located in the Cristina Sub Division. Very close to schools, shopping, restaurants, US 301, I-75, and entertainment. Schedule a showing today.